What up, YouTube? FD White, aka Crypto Funds, back with another episode of Crypto Funds Invest. Welcome to the channel. So, as you know, I started off investing, but then I turned into a semi-trader. I wouldn't call myself like just a full-blown, full-fledged day trader or whatnot, but I do like to trade. I like to trade. Trading scratches the itch that I have, you know, especially when the markets are boring. Helps me to keep some income coming in, you know, other than other things that I'll try to do. But other than that, man, you know, a lot of times people don't trade or can't make a lot of money in trading because they don't have the capital. They don't have the access to the necessary capital in order to be successful at trading, because it does take money to make money. And crypto is a lot easier because crypto is more volatile. Crypto moves a little bit more percentage wise than other asset classes, but crypto does move, especially those meme coins. I mean, you don't even need leverage for meme coins, nothing like that. You can turn $100 into 20, 30, 40,000. But that's like a rare case. So what I wanted to try to do was try a prop firm. So I'm going to start trying prop firms. A lot of prop firms I've been watching in the Forex community have been getting shut down, haven't been having payouts, they've been scamming or whatnot. So I was kind of a little bit weary of it. But there is one that I have been looking at. I actually signed up for one. It's called Breakout Crypto Trading. It's a prop firm started by a YouTuber, influencer. I guess his name is Trader Main. Never heard of him until now, until I started this account. I actually, one of my crypto friends over on X was talking about it, so I decided to check it out. And I kind of liked what I saw. So I said, you know, it's only $50. So we'll see if we can take this account and do something with it. So I said, I'm not affiliated with this company. I just saw like one of my guys talking about it. I think he had like some sort of partnership or some sort of giveaway going on. So I decided to jump on it. I've always been, like I said, curious about prop firms. Watch a lot of Forex guys. You know, a lot of those guys are very technical, so I use what they say and I bring it over to the crypto market. But, you know, I've looked at the Instagram, I've looked at the Twitter, the X, I've, you know, did a lot of research, and looks like nobody has been complaining. All the payouts have been coming back. Everybody has been saying a lot of good things about it. So I decided to give it a try. So, like I said, this is not financial advice. I'm by no means shilling this or asking or telling people to try it out. But for me personally, I'm just documenting it on YouTube. And if you want to try it out, go ahead. If you don't, you know. But me personally, if it works out, I'm going to continue to use it because so far, so good. So first and foremost, you have to pass a evaluation. So they have one step now and they have a two-step. With the one step, I just bought a one-step $5,000 account. Let's actually show you. I don't know if I'm supposed to be showing this, but whatever. Breakout. This is what it is. So I have a $5,000 account, equity balance. They have a nice amount of different pairs that you can trade, different altcoins, meme coins, of course Bitcoin, of course Ethereum, the top coins. So my strategy will have to have, when it comes to these type of evaluations, when it comes to these type of accounts, these prop accounts, what I'm looking at is really risk management. Like, so with this $5,000 account, is two rules that I really need to adhere to. Number one, I can't go below $200 in a day, I think it was. And number two, I can't go down 250, period. Or you breach the contract, you breach the rules, and you lose the evaluation. You don't get the real account. So this is on a demo account. They start you off with a demo account. They start you off, you know, with the money on a demo account, and you have to prove that you can make 10%. Adhering to those rules. So right now, so I got it on like, what's today, Monday over here. So I got it on like Thursday or Friday, but I was looking at it. I didn't really understand. Well, I had to get used to their platform, but that took a couple minutes. And then I'm usually used to trading on like Bybit or Mexi, and it goes like, it has like pips and all that. And I had to bring back my pips, but it's just like leverage and all that. So once I got that all down packed, then okay, now I'm ready to go. So I haven't even started trading yet. Right now, I'm just looking at the charts, So I'm looking, of course, I'm looking at Bitcoin. So for this, I'm just going to just scalp. I'm just going to scalp unless I see something on a higher term or on a higher time frame, you know, in order to make a nice trade. But to make 10%, I think you use 5x leverage for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and everything else is 2x leverage. So that's all you really need if you start with 5,000. Like 5,000 is actually a great number to start trading with. So we're gonna try to pass this possibly today or tomorrow if we can find, you know, some type of good trade. Like I said, they have a number of different assets that you can choose from. So we'll find something. They even have, you know, meme coins like Book of Meme. They have Brett. You know, they have a lot of different ones that you can choose from. I think they source their liquidity from Bybit, if I'm not mistaken. So that's another. Bybit is a pretty big exchange. So we'll see, man. I just want to make this quick video to tell you what I'm doing. You know, this is not financial advice. I have no affiliation with Breakout. I have no affiliation with TraderMain, nothing like that. I just thought it was intriguing. You know, I never used a prop firm. I always see, you know, my Forex people talking about prop firms, talking about funded accounts. So I said, okay, well, shoot, let me try. You know what I mean? If I can pass, then this is basically free money. So basically, if I got a $5,000 account, I think you got 5, 10, 25, 50, 100, and a $200,000 account, if I'm not mistaken. I just started with the little $5,000 account, and I used like a 10% code. I think it was like $50. Because you could add on like 90-10 split if you pass the evaluation and you start to make money. Like an extra $10 was a 90. You can get like a 90-10 split as opposed to like an 80-10, 80-20 split or something like that. I don't know, but I have to do a little bit more research. If I pass this, I'll do a little bit more research because I'll be more inclined and more invested into it. But so I paid like $50. I had like I said, a 10% off code. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try and I'll keep you posted. Hopefully I can pass this challenge fairly quick. All you need is one good, really, if you got 5,000, you start with 5,000, you can use 5x leverage at the most. You can kind of pass it quick or you can blow it quick. So it's really just proper risk management. So I'm saying if I can we'll say what, $50, risk $50 per trade. So if I risk $50 per trade, so I'll be looking for possibly 2-to-1s or 3-to-1s. So that means 2-to-1 risk reward or 3-to-1 risk reward. So I'll be risking 50 to make 100, or 50 to make 150, or 50 to make 200, or you know, so on and so forth. So I'll be probably risking $40 to $50 per trade. So I'll be looking for good entries, good trades in order to do that. So if I do that, if I can win my first 2 trades, if they're not like bangers and I just automatically pass the account challenge, if I can win my first 2 trades, then I can go a little bit more riskier on the next couple trades, and then hopefully get this challenge out the way and start making some money. So I want to really start try to get this and see if they really pay out. Really, you know, if I can make, you know, a nice amount, see if I really get the payout. Because once you pass the account challenge, you can get your money. You can start your first withdrawal in 24 hours, and then 7 days. Every 7 days after that, if you want to start withdrawing. So we'll check it out, man. We'll see, man. The website is BREAKOUTPROP.com. BREAKOUTPROP.com. Like I said, this is not a paid video. This is nothing that I'm affiliated with. Excuse me. I just wanted to try it. I wanted to try it. And if, you know, a lot of times if you don't have capital, these prop firms, man, these Forex people live and die by these prop firms, man. I see a lot of people make a lot of money off of it. But like I said, with trading, probably 95 to 97% will fail. And it's really risk management, but I'm going to talk about that in a separate video. Risk management and your psychological, you know, what's going on up here. So that's really it, man. So this is FDY, aka crypto funds. We're actually going to, like I said, these past few videos, we're going to start talking about a lot more stocks and whatnot. To integrate within the material, to integrate within the content, because a lot of people have been asking me about the stock market too. I started in the stock market. Well, I started in Forex, but I was off that. I didn't really go deep diving into that. But the Forex taught me about candlesticks and taught me how to, you know, just the starting points of trading, the starting points of reading charts. Then I went to the stock market during the pandemic, and then I just transferred full crypto. Now I'm gonna start talking about the stock market a little bit more because it's all intertwined. It all is correlated. Like when we look at the DXY is Forex. Like, you know, so we know if the DXY is inversely correlated to a lot of these risk assets. So we just got to be in tune. Like I say, that's the basic premise of my channel, being in tune to the markets and being in tune to everything, man. So this is FD White, man. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. I appreciate everybody who watched this thus far and who've been tuning into the channel. Have a great day.